let us know micro or operating environmental factors in greater detail. So what does the micro environmental factor consist of? As I said, micro environmental factor is something very unique to the company and the industry in which it operates. For example, so customers are micro environmental factors because they accept, rather they affect that company and the industry only. So the customers are a micro environmental factors. And next comes employees. How do you maintain labor relations with them? How do you ensure maximum efficiency and minimum wastage of manpower? So next, suppliers. So what do you mean by suppliers? Suppose there is a car manufacturing company which has launched a new product and they have received, say suppose 300,000 orders which are to be dispatched within 6 months. So as you know, a car company does not manufacture everything from wheel to wheel. It depends upon the suppliers. So there is a battery supplier. So how do you maintain a good relationship? By paying them on time. If the supplier is not good, then the company suffers even if the end product is highly liked by the customer. So supplier is a micro environmental factor. So next are shareholders. You want to maintain a good rapport and relations with the shareholders because they are ultimately the owners of the company. Conflicts with the shareholders and disagreement between them is not good for an organization because it impedes its progress and takes away the focus from business to shareholder relations, which is really not good in the long term. So next comes media. Say suppose you want to launch a new product and you want to ensure maximum coverage. Where do you invite the media? How do you treat them? How do you make sure your company's product get maximum exposure in the public mind? So media is also a micro environmental factor. Next comes competitors. Suppose there is a car company which has just launched a car. What is the reaction of the competitor? So for a car company, a competitor is really a micro environmental factor which affects its business.